Hello, everyone. We've made it to June. Only a few days left in the regular school year, so we hope everybody's doing well and everything's wrapping up just smoothly for you as we look forward to the next phase of this school year and the cycles that come with that. This is going to be a quick newsletter update for you. Got a couple Google updates that are kind of cool that I'll share with you, but the big focus for right now is summer reminders. With just a week and a half left, I just want to remind us all of just next steps or things to be aware of as you think about summer ahead. So the first and foremost is just a friendly reminder: do not store or hide any technology anywhere in your classroom. Obviously, the large items like the interactive whiteboards or document cameras, they can stay in place. But any devices that are assigned to you, things like a laptop, or if you have iPads in the classroom, or individual iPads, I should say, they should go with you and stay with you and not be stuck in a closet. One, obviously, for security's sake, and two, just for ease of use as you come back into the fall school year. The only exception to that is if you put in a support ticket and would like us to hold on to the items for you. So if you do have assigned technology and would like us to keep hold of them during the summer, we can do that. Just know that we do updates on any devices that we keep over the summer. So be sure all of your files are on Google Drive, as the devices are often reset and refreshed and erased during our summer holds, so that they can be nice and clean and ready to go for the upcoming school year. So if you do not want to take your district issued device back with you over the summer, please be sure to put in a support ticket before the end of the school year, and ask that we hold it for you. We'll ask that you leave the device in the main office with the charger and coordinate with you that way. And then naturally, we'll have that ready for you come the start of the fall school year. So again, just put in a support ticket if you would like us to keep a hold of your device during the summer. The other reminder, just from a summer perspective, is our accounts. Your account is an active thing in terms of controlling your email and all the items there. As you may know, we change our passwords often. If you haven't had to change your password within the last couple of months, I may suggest to go ahead and change that before you leave for the school year. That way, it will not hit that expiration date over the summer months, and you'll be kind of smooth sailing from there. Because as you know, after you reset your password on your district issued device, the best practice is to restart that device while you are at school and within district, so that it can connect to all the services that are provided to you as part of that device. And if you do that at home, it will not work. So again, just a friendly reminder that if you haven't changed your password in a couple months, maybe go ahead and do that before you leave for the new school year, just by going to ClassLink and adjusting your settings up in there. Awesome. So hopefully that is helpful for you. If you have any questions about what to do over the summer, or something is confusing about what I said, just put in a support ticket and we'd be happy to answer you there. So just for a couple of those Google updates that I mentioned, we talked about some keyboard shortcut stuff last month, and they've added a couple more features in Google Drive and Google Sheets for us. One of the first things is a file preview option. So instead of having to double click a file in our drive, it'll actually show us a little preview just by hovering over it. It can be a great way to just check out, is this something you want to open before having to get it open and wasting some potential time there. So that's a nice handy feature. List of files, just simply hover over the little icon for it and you'll see a nice preview of the file. And then for all you spreadsheet wizards out there, if you do not like to spend a lot of time formatting a spreadsheet and making it look super professional and helpful on your own, Google has given us some great ways to do that automatically. Just simply by highlighting a section of data that you've already started, you can adjust the format and have it create a table with dynamic drop-downs and grouping options right in there, just by highlighting the table of data, formatting it, as a table, and it gives you these really nice features to quickly format and organize your data. Super helpful. And then they have this grouping option built into these table setups as well. So if you've never wanted to create a pivot table in your life, we can cheat a little bit and it'll automatically organize data for us into these groups just simply by us clicking a couple buttons, and it does it for us there. Super handy, rather than having to create that manipulation on your own. And then the other thing that they give with us too are these pre-built tables. So as you enter a Google Sheets, you've probably seen this little pop-up on the side that give us a little templates for all the different tables. So anything from, project lists to event tracking and, to-dos and tasks and that kind of thing. That can be a great way to get started in the spreadsheet world if you've always been a little apprehensive about what spreadsheets can do for you. So certainly some great stuff that is available within Google Sheets. Definitely play around with that. And if you want some help with any of those, we're still available for training sessions over the summer. So feel free to book some time with us. We are always around. So if we don't see you in the meantime, I hope you guys wrap up the school year well. Have a great summer, and we'll see you as you get back in the fall. Take care.